She's resilient, confident, kind, decisive, and independent, with a great capacity for empathy.
And by the way, Dr. Frankie, let's point out, I'm even
coming up on the roundabout at Wonderland and Sunningdale, and I remember when I didn't have to stop. I could just continue on my merry way because the people going east-west had to stop, but the northwest traffic on a highway, which is what this is at this point, did not have to stop. But the rich people in the north end of London complained, and the city of London said, oh, you said jump? Well, how high? And the height was a roundabout that now everybody has to stop at. Actually, I take that back. Currently, the only people that are stopping are the people that are going north-south. Now the people that are going east-west don't have to stop. How does that make sense? And again, this north-south section of Wonderland Road is actually Highway 4. So this is a King's Highway, and now you have a roundabout in the middle of it. So just because the rich people, there's a $200,000 Porsche, just because the rich people complain, the city said, oh, let's fix it. But anytime somebody else complains that doesn't have a deep pocket, like the rich people in the north part of the city, you know, the city just absolutely flat out ignores it. So how long did we just wait right there? Something that would have taken me literally a split second to do before the roundabout was installed. Thanks, City of London. Thanks for all your wisdom and your great decision making that benefits everybody. Right. You want to see another ingenious installation for the rich people? Coming up on a set of traffic lights that was installed on a crescent, Franklin Way Crescent, that only has 14 houses on it, but the houses are worth $4 to $5 million. And then the houses on the right, which is Medway Park, I believe, they're all worth $1 to $2 million. So again, the city said, you said jump, rich residents, how high? And then they put in this stupid set of lights here. And I'll have you note too that Franklin Way Crescent, which is 14 houses, all $4 to $5 million, it's a crescent, so they're just going to go out the other way. They're not waiting for the light. Congratulations, City of London. And then you get to go and sit in this, get backed up because the lights aren't synchronized, spending money in places that you shouldn't, and then places that you actually should that would literally benefit everybody, like a synchronizing system for traffic lights. No, can't do that. But they've backflopped and belly flopped on that before too. They said at one point they hadn't installed a system and then they were going to put one in, and then another one said no, we've had the system installed for all these years, but you know, somehow it's not working. Look at this person here. And I'm stopped, so I can do this. They're blocking the turn lane completely. Unbelievable. They're just gonna sit there blocking the turn lane. Instead of going, there's two exits that are actually out there. There's two exits out that way that they could have used. They would have already been on their merry way. But instead they came out this way and block traffic. Unbelievable what you see in this city. Surprised he's not trying to fight his way over to turn right. But again, you could have hung a left out of the plaza, out of two separate exits, and you would have already been on your way. Porsche at the car wash. Silver. Jesus, what the hell is going on here? silver Honda SUV. This one that just darted over at the last second. Then there's a guy that darted in behind me and almost cut me off.